Welcome to demo 6 of unique fossils. What I'm doing here is I'm going to be setting up the database connection, and I'm going to place down a connection, a couple queries, and let's put down a connection. Let's rename this to ADOC. This is going to be called the sun protection made easy from Coppertone. This is going to be called also available in Unique Fossils. UF. Just for let's actually call this fossils. Okay. That's fine. And we're going to call this first one ADOQ users. And then we're going to go into the database connection properties. And we're going to make a connection string. And we're going to build it. We're going to use a jet, Microsoft Jet. And this allows for the connection to be as a file, and we're going to set it as
what I was going to say was, now you are aware that our board of directors has been indicted.
Unique fossil database. There we go.
We're prohibited from doing business until the investigation.
There is no password set, so let's just set that now.
We would have no use for you.
And let's just go in there. And let's
Excuse me, but Mr. Costanza's car is being towed.
let's open up the database, and let's see if we can add a security to this. Set database password. And let's set it as
the fabric is flying at double
we need to close this first.
textile manufacturers.
That's fine.
In a fiercely
Okay,
competitive
we're going to set a username
dyes fabric used to make clothes and
as
uniforms.
admin.
To get the edge on the competition,
And the
double text took a
password is
hard
going to
look
be
at becoming more energy efficient.
We've undertaken a very important study with the
there we
government
go.
of Canada. The study showed about
There we
14
go.
projects worth savings to us
And
roughly
let's
about
just
$500
allow
a year.
saving.
Fabric has to be washed
Okay.
and dyed using
Now we
lots
gotta
of hot
close
water.
all this.
The dye house burns natural gas to fire up its boilers. A key
And now we
target
can
for energy.
actually change the database password.
Heat exchangers have been installed to make washers and dyeing machines more efficient.
No, not yet. Okay, let's
Instead of dumping already heated
close the whole
wastewater,
project
it's run
down.
in pipes alongside fresh water, which takes up the heat.
let's try
Give us
this.
what 10% reduction
That should do it.
carbon dioxide emissions.
Reducing CO2 emissions is key in the campaign against climate change.
No. Okay, let's
Older,
close it all
inefficient dyeing
down.
machines and boilers were removed following a process
That
integration
should do
study
it there.
conducted by Natural Resources Canada to improve use of heat and water. It goes beyond standard energy audits by analyzing how the plant machines work best together. By insulating pipes leading to the massive dryers and assembly machines, there's been less heat loss
Okay,
and
let's
less
do
electricity
that.
burned. Exhaust heat from boilers is put back into the system as well.
Well,
Let's
it's
go
certainly
into
good for the
the,
environment, but everything that we can
main
do to help the
folder.
environment by reducing CO2 emissions, which goes in step
open
to
as
step
exclusive.
protocol, is important to us.
To learn more about climate change and energy efficiency, go to climatechange.gc.ca. A message from the Government of Canada.
No.
You're watching Prime. All the best shows, all in one place.
You can always tell what was the best year of your father's life because they seem to freeze that clothing style and just ride it out to the end, don't they?
Okay.
And it's not like they don't continue shopping. It's just they
Now
don't
let's
have
change
to buy
this.
one car. Every father is like this fashion time capsule, you know? And they think they should be
There
on
we
a
go.
pedestal with someone next to them going, this was
That's
1965.
And now we should be able to go back into the development environment, and now I should be able to actually set the password and encode, and building a streamlined connection to the database for any kind of query or record set modification. And we'll just do that quickly here. Now that it's loaded, we can actually go in here and now we can cancel that.
What are you guys doing?
There we go.
You've been driving around the same block for hours.
Let's go
You know,
back
some
in
people
here,
drive as quick
and
to
now
actually do stuff. They'll get groceries,
we can go back
to work,
into the
that
connection.
sort of thing. So really try it sometime.
We can just verify this password
Or a
work.
car that fits your lifestyle, whatever it happens to be. They say you are what you eat. Put a plant in
Oh, that's
topsoil,
why.
you get a starving plant.
I gotta
Because
close
ordinary
this.
topsoil has little, if any, nutrition.
There we
Now
go.
put a plant in Miracle-Gro garden soil. Wow. Rich, organic ingredients. Plus Miracle-Gro continuous release plant food. Nourishes non-stop for up to 3 months. Plants grow twice as big. You get twice the compliments.
Okay, we need to close
nice.
this.
Miracle-Gro
Open.
garden soil. Make your own miracles.
It seems there's an exclusive
When you're
now.
online with TV
Since we set the
cameras,
password,
and you have a question, all you have to
there's
do
some
is
kind of
click, and the
exclusive
specialist will call right away.
open open read only. Okay,
So you'll never feel alone. Hello.
let's do that.
Thanks for calling so fast.
That's
Get
fine.
click to talk, and our security
Now we should be able
when
to
you're online with Canada's best
test that.
consumer internet bank.
It's the Rhoda Name Brand's Amazing Offers event. May 17th to
And
30th
it
August.
didn't
Earn
work.
over 100 bonus air miles reward miles when you purchase brand names like these. See the flyer coupons. For expert advice and more, count on Rhoda, the how-to people.
Yeah, that's set right.
How would you describe the smell in this house?
Dandruff?
Yeah, that's a quarter.
Could be the password, the username,
Sun kasha.
Dandruff, kasha,
and let's leave that blank. Let's try that. No.
All right, let's go. Come on.
You going?
Yeah, you know, we shouldn't have pulled that last game. I'm gonna be late.
These aren't candies.
Let's just go back.
Did you use those? These are gift soaps. Well, I'm a guest. Now my parents are gonna know I had people over. Well, I have people over.
I opened up this file exclusively.
This is a party.
It seemed to know. It seemed to have really changed things. I'm gonna work with this. If you want to get a hold of me, burndata.